subtractive color making one. Okay, just very small work, a very small work. I hope you are doing the poster side by side. Okay, so just let me share my screen. Mm, just a minute. Mm, no, okay. Select window or screen. Entire screen. Actually, my system was creating problem. গুগল ক্রোম খুললো না, তো আমি মজিলা ডাউনলোড করে আবার মজিলা থেকে খুললাম, ওই জন্য একটুখানি টাইম লাগলো। ওকে ফাইন, চলো। So I'll be showing you the additive color making. Okay, what is additive color making? Color that I have already told you, you will be learning in detail in your color science subject. Okay, say if any document of, say, any resolution, non normal document. I am opening a new document. Okay. Oh, this is too small. New. Just let me change into or cm or inch so that we can connect. Okay. Say in the basic, just say fill it with black. Any color you can fill. I'm just filling it with black. I'm creating shape. You have to note it down. I'm creating the additive one. You have to create with additive one the subtractive one also. Okay. So here what I'm doing is that I'm doing the additive color. So R, in R I am writing 255 and G0 B0. So it is perfect red, the selection. Okay, new is perfect red, so I am filling it with red. Okay, sorry, delete. Yes. I'm filling the shape with, say, red. Okay, okay, sorry, no. In separate layer, I'm doing it because I need separate layers. Okay. Next, I'm exactly in the same shape. I'm filling green. Here in the color palette, I'm changing only the denomination. Green is 255 in the green palette, so the green has been selected. So by using the bucket tool, I'm just filling the green one. Sorry, Control Z. I have to create a new layer and just fill the green one. Okay, now I'm creating another layer, and I have created 3 different layers, and I have just given the additive primaries. Okay, now I'll be creating the I'll be showing, or you'll be seeing the additive color effect. Okay, so B. So here in the foreground color, I'm selecting at R0, tab B0, G0, and B is 255. So blue has been selected. So I'm taking this blue and filling this one. Okay, sorry. Control Z again because I have to create a new layer and then do it. Okay, now see, each and every color is control deselect. Control D, or you can go to select and select the option deselect, if you remember. But the shortcut key is Control D. Okay. See, at the first layer, it should be original, no problem. The second layer, it should be, you need to get a superimposition effect. So I have already told you there are certain modes, basically, certain modes. I haven't explained it till date. I'll explain it, but I have shown you and how to use that I have shown you. So I need the superimposition effect in order to get the additive color effect. So I am selecting the screen one. Okay. And the top two colors, that is green and blue colors. So in top two colors, I am just selecting screen one. See, R plus G plus B is white, R plus green is yellow, then red plus blue is magenta. Can you see it? ওকে কেউ কি ঢোকার চেষ্টা করছে ওকে সামওয়ান আচ্ছা ইকবাল কেউ ইকবাল আছে তো তাই তো ভাষা বাশার ইকবাল is he in this group Bashar Iqbal is he in this group
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
A1.
lateral entry.
lateral entry so you have Akrur and Akrur was absent for the previous two classes Anisha Bashar Iqbal. Okay. For both of you, the lateral students, like I'll be repeating you. Just you have to communicate with me in WhatsApp. I'll give you time. You have to be present there so that I can recapitulate or I can repeat the previous one. Nishant, Priyanka, Rituraj, Shagorika. And Nishan. Okay. So can you see the additive color effect? So in this way, you have to create the subtractive color effect also. So this is the first work you have to do for today's class. Okay. So do you remember the steps or I should repeat this? Do you remember the steps? Anyone? আরে কথা তো বল otherwise how would I understand that you have you are actually hearing or you can actually listen to me আরেকবার পুরোটা রিপিট করব না আমি স্টেপস গুলো বলে দিচ্ছি জাস্ট লিখে নে in that way it will be easier okay so what I have created a new just write first point create a new document okay now fill the layer with a particular color with a particular solid color or I mean sorry particular no I have filled the layer with black color I have filled it okay then I have created a new layer I have made a shape then make a shape and fill it with red then create a new layer create a shape and fill it with green then make a new layer create the shape with same kind of shape with blue now make the top two layers in the screen mode SCRWN screen mode see in the top two layers I have made this screen mode can you see it then only you can see the effect can you see it so R plus G plus B this is light color so if you combine this you will get white so have you written
ম্যাম স্ক্রিন মোডের পোরশনটা আরেকবার দেখাবেন
একেবারে এই তো দেখ এখানটায় the top two layers আমি কি করেছি দেখ top two layers দেখ second layer টা is normal mode see normal second layer is in normal mode only second layer that is in normal third layer টা দেখ is in screen mode can you see it
Yes, ma'am.
আমার স্ক্রিনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছিস? And the top layer, that is layer flow 4, is also in the screen mode. Conceptটা কি basically? The concept is basically I have already told you, in drawing you are mixing color to create different color, but in printing you are getting superimposition effect. You are not mixing colors, rather a selective absorption of certain wavelength of light will create the color. লাইট যখন হোয়াইট লাইট যখন পড়ে প্রিন্টেড ইমেজের উপর, তখন সিলেক্টিভ absorption of certain wavelength will create particular color, or will reflect certain particular wavelength which will come to the viewer's eye and you can see a particular color shade. Okay, so এখানটায় কি হচ্ছে, এখানটায় আমরা কি করছি, সেই superimposition effect, how we are creating, we are making the top colors as screen. Because in ink, when you will be learning, the top ink should be transparent in order to get the effect of the bottom ink. This will be a little bit difficult for you, and this is not the purview of this lab. I'm just showing you the effect. So to get the superimposition effect, you have to make the top layers screen. So this is additive color model I have made. In this way, you have to make also CMYK color model or subtractive color model. Any same way you have to make CMYK and you have to create the output. ঠিক আছে? This is the first work of today's lab. So next is layer masking. I'll give you 4 work for today's lab. Okay. So next is layer masking. Layer masking, just follow the steps. I'm just I'm just doing it in front of you, and I'll definitely brief if you want. I brief it with the steps. I'm doing. Okay, so I'm taking what is masking basically. Masking with say there are 2 or 3 originals, and you want to mask one onto another to get a make things like lay side by side in a manner that like would look like in a same picture, or just see this. Say this is original one, and say this is original 2. Okay, so these 2 layers I'll be masking. Okay, so first what I have told you, after taking the picture you have to unlock the background. I'm just making unlock background. Okay, any picture has to be unlocked before working on it. So take the photos to be masked, then unlock the background, then create. Okay, fine, not before, not like I'm taking these 2 pictures, so I'm just dragging it onto one image so that I can mask one onto another. Just I'm dragging this image to here. Okay, sorry, why this is not showing? I have dragged that. Why this is not showing? Somebody, can you tell me why this is not showing? Because this is at the bottom, so I have to drag it to the top. I have to drag it to the top. I can keep these white backgrounds or not, that is my choice. Okay, so I have taken these 2 layers. I have to mask these 2 layers one onto another. Okay, so the layer to be masked has to be kept at the top. Now next I have to create a new layer. So where from I can create a new layer? From here at the bottom of the layer palette, I can create a new layer. Okay, now after creating the new layer, Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. For this case, you may not create a new layer. There are steps basically. So what I'm doing it, I'm just layer mask. You can okay, fine. Just normal. I'm following the normal steps. There are other ways also. I will also show that to you also. Okay. Uh, there are two, three ways of doing a particular thing. Okay. No, just I'm showing a simple one first because in that way it will be difficult for you. একটা শিখে গেলে অন্যগুলো অনেক easily নিয়ে নিতে পারবি. Okay, fine. So go to the top layer. Okay. Or the layer to be masked. Okay. Then you have to go to the layer drop down list. In the layer drop down list there is layer mask. Okay, in the layer mask you can make hide all. Okay, so the top layer is been hidden, so you have to make it in front of you. So what you have to do, you have to go to edit, you have to fill, and you have to fill it with white color, white and 100% white color to make it visible again. Okay, this is one way. This is one way. There is another way also. There is another way also in which you can do it directly from here. See at the bottom, if you go here and keep your mouse over here in this option, see add mask. Here it is showing add vector mask. There is if you before doing the layer mask, if you go there, you can check the option of creating the layer mask also in here also at the bottom. Okay, as I have already created the layer mask, so it is showing the vector mask one. Now onto it you can create vector mask. So that's the thing. So after doing this, so first what I have done, I have opened two layer, then layer to be masked, I have kept it at the top. Then I have click the option of the layer drop down list. Then in the layer drop down list, I have clicked layer mask and then hide all. After hide all, I have clicked on edit. I've gone to fill and then I have filled it with 100% white. See at the layer palette with the top layer or the layer to be masked, a white layer has been linked. White layer has been linked. Original layer is okay, it is unaltered. It is just linked with a mask layer. You can unlink these anytime. Just click it and it will be unlinked. Okay, now just let me do it. Okay, so first you have to set the foreground color as black. Okay, and the background color as white. Okay, now in the foreground it is black, in the background it is white. Now what you have can do, you can, there are two ways. One is you can select the brush and you can wipe the unwanted portions. Sorry, you can wipe the unwanted portions. But for this case, as the background is solid color, I'll be using the gradient one. I'll be using the gradient one. Sorry, Control Z. Here I have to flip it. Mhm. Mhm. So thereby you have masked original image 1 and original image 2 one onto another. But see one thing, at the layer palette, the original top layer is intact. It is just linked with a layer mask to get this kind of output. You can unlink it anytime and you can delete this one. You can delete this one. So you are basically masking one onto another. Okay, just I'm doing another application, another mm, example for you. Just do it with certain logical ones, certain logical layer masking. You have to do it. You have to submit. Say here, these two are wedding photographies. Okay, I am dragging it to Photoshop 1 and 2. I want to mask one onto another. Okay, so this can be another kind of application. So I want to mask these two one. Okay, so the steps I have followed previously. On the top layer, selecting the top layer, I have to go to the layer. I have to go to layer mask, hide all. After doing it, hide all, go to edit, go to fill, white, 100% opacity. Okay. Now I have to, okay, I have done, I have used gradient in previous case. Now I'm using say brush. Brush size you can change, this you know already, brush size you can change. Okay, now see, I'm wiping it off. Sorry. Just I'm doing it, not doing it in a very like clean way. I'm just doing it to show you how to do it. That's it. While you will be doing, you have to make it zoom in, as I have already told you also, because otherwise, like if I do not zoom in, I mean normal eye you can whatever output you can see, that won't be perfect. See, I have masked this too. So do you want to write the steps? Do you want to write the steps or it will be remembered? You have to do it by your own. লিখতে চাস কি স্টেপস গুলো? আর ইউ দেয়ার? সেরেছে।
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, তো স্টেপস গুলো কি লিখতে চাস নাকি মনে থাকবে? লিখে নিবি স্টেপস গুলো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, লিখেই নি।
Okay, fine. First, open the 2 layers or 3 layers or the number of layers you want to mask. For this case, I have used 2 layers. Open 2 layers. This is layer mask. The heading would be layer mask. Open 2 layers first, then second layer to be masked should be kept on the top. Then go to layer. Then go to layer. Layer mask. Hide all. A black layer will be linked with the top layer. Okay, so to remove or to make it visible, what you have to do, you have to go to edit, you have to go to fill.
can
You
you
have to
please repeat
select.
from step number 3?
Step number 3, go to layer mask. Just तीर दिए लिखे नहीं, just write it like a flow chart. Just go to layer, just a direction, then layer mask, then hide all. In the next step, a black layer on the top layer will be connected. Then select the top layer, go to edit, then fill, FILL fill, then select white 100%. White, you can select any color here. Okay, to make it visible, select white 100%. Okay, then after this, set the foreground color as black and background color as white. See here, foreground color as black and background color as white. If sometime you may not, you are not getting the output, then just flip it. You can flip anytime from here. See, anytime from here. If you can see my screen. Okay. Now next next point would be select the brush or select the gradient tool. Select the brush or select the gradient tool. By now, all of you must be familiar with the tools. So I'm just saying the names. Select the brush or gradient tool. And next step is erase the undesirable area by brush or the gradient tool. Now next, if some unwanted portion has been erased, press X and use the brush again. It will come back like your history brush tool, if you remember. Just press X and the original will come back. And the original will come back. Okay? So these are the steps for layer mask. Okay. Next is vector mask. So I have shown you two applications. You have to make just one. Okay. My son is crying. Just I'm taking a break. Just 1 minute. I'm coming back. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Next is vector masking. So I'm showing you one example of vector masking. Okay, before going to vector masking, I haven't sent you the format of the report. Taito? I haven't sent you format of the report, or I have sent you the format of the report. Okay, so have you done or have you created any report? Because nobody has submitted. You have to submit the report with assignment, date wise. And you have to make Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign separate folders. You have to save it to your system so that at one go you can send all of it. You have to give me the reports basically. কেউ কি বানিয়েছিস রিপোর্ট? Anyone has done? Anyone has written the report? কেউ করেছিস? হ্যাঁ অথবা না, দুটো আনসার হয়। কেউ কোনো আনসার দিচ্ছিস না কেন? ওকে ফাইন। পোস্টার নয়, তোদের প্রত্যেক দিনের ল্যাব রিপোর্ট জমা দিতে হবে। নেক্সট দিন থেকে ল্যাব রিপোর্ট জমা দিস, ঠিক আছে? চল, তোরা ইউ পিপল আর টু আনরেসপন্সিভ, ইউ আর নট দ্যাট রেসপন্সিভ স্টুডেন্টস। আমি 10 বার জিজ্ঞেস করলে একবার আনসার দিস, সেটা ঠিক লাইক আমি তো একেবারে সিস্টেমের এদিকে বসে আছি, আই এম নট ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ ইউ, সো আনসার না দিলে একটুখানি ব্ল্যাঙ্ক লাগে, বুঝেছিস? Allow. Okay. So next is your okay, the presenting your screen. Okay. Next is your vector masking. So say untitled one. So onto it, I am doing the vector masking. No, I'll be giving the background other time. Just I'm doing the vector masking first, then I'll do it. Open. So vector masking, I am doing it onto it. Okay. So take a photo. I've taken this photo. I've unlocked this. I've created a new transparent layer from the bottom of the layer palette. Okay. Then you have to fill with solid color. You can directly go select the color over here. You can select the color, the bucket tool, and you can do it. I'm doing it from here because edit, because in this option it is already given. Okay. You can do it, you may not do it. Okay, just I'm selecting like say black. I'm just doing it. Then you can create a path on the tab, any path, by using pen tool, by using any tool you can create a path. Okay, just I'm using this kind of path which is already been given. কারোর কেউ একজন ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে টিভি ফিভি চলছে, একটুকুনি বন্ধ করবি বাবা? কারণ অলরেডি কানের 12টা বেজে গেছে। জাস্ট আমি এমনি একটা কোনো একটা শেপ দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? You can create any shape, you can create any shape, no problem. Okay, create any shape of your choice. আমি এটা for রেডিমেড একটা দিয়ে দিলাম যেটা অলরেডি আছে, or you can create by using pen tool. Okay, you can add with this one, you can subtract with this one, as we have done with the pen tool if you remembered. Then after doing adding subtraction of the shapes, you can combine it. Okay, this option you have already learned for pen tool and for other tools, other selection tool also. Then you have to select the main layer, or I can do it in this way. I can create the shape over here. I can feel it because পুরোটাই black black হয়ে যাচ্ছে। ও বাবা, then go to the main layer. Okay, so then you have to definitely go to the main layer. You have to go to the main layer. Always select the main layer before applying any of the masking options. You have to go to main layer, then you have to do the vector mask. Okay, then you have to go for the আমি এক্স্যাক্টলি অপোজিটটা করেছি, ওই জন্য এটা হচ্ছে। In this shape the background should be okay fine, আমি জাস্ট অপোজিটটা করেছি, ঠিক আছে? আমি জাস্ট এটা আবার রিডু করি। ওহো, আমার মাউস আছে, আমি মাউস প্যাড দিয়ে করছি। ওহো, কন্ট্রোল জেড। তোর বাবা, পুরোটা ব্ল্যাক আছে, আমি অন্য কিছু দিয়ে করি। চল, কি দিয়ে করবো বলতো, কি দিয়ে করবো? অরিজিনাল সে এমনি কিছু করি, কোথায় আছে, এমনি কিছু করি, চল। বাহ, এটা বেশ ভালো আছে, এই দুটো ভালো আছে। ওপেন উইথ কোথায় গেল? ওপেন উইথ, খুব দেরি হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমি একটার উপরে আরেকটা ড্র্যাগ করে নিয়ে চলে এলাম। আমার উদ্দেশ্য আমি ফ্রেমে এটা বসাবো, ঠিক আছে? না, ফ্রেমে এলো না। জাস্ট এটা ঠিক ভেক্টর মাস্কও হলো না। এটা কাইন্ড অফ আই হ্যাভ ক্লিপড ইট ফ্রম দ্য ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড, আই হ্যাভ ক্লিপড ইট ফ্রম দ্য ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড। আচ্ছা, ক্লিপটা যখন করেই ফেললাম, তাহলে ক্লিপটাই বলে দিই বেসিক্যালি প্রথমে, তারপর ভেক্টর বলবো। I have clipped, I have make the clip mask. আমি জাস্ট এটার সঙ্গে এটা জাস্ট in this frame I have just clipped this portion. তো ক্লিপ মাস্কিংটা যখন বললামই, আমি ক্লিপ মাস্কিংটা আগে দেখিয়ে দিই। ক্লিপ মাস্কিং আর ভেক্টর মাস্কিং মোটামুটি তোর একরকমই আছে। ওকে, ফাইন, চল। See, take a picture, any picture. Okay, I have taken this picture. Okay, then unlock the background, ছেড়ে দে, unlock. These are the steps which you have to follow. You have to create a new transparent layer. Okay, then drag it to the bottom of the main layer. You have to drag it to the bottom of the main layer. Then visibility of the main layer has to be offed. Then you have to visibility of the main layer off, কারণ you want to actually create the shape you want, by which you want to see the background basically. Okay, so visibility of the main layer has been off. Then you have to create the shape and you have to fill it with the black color. Okay, so you have to create the shape. So I'm creating the shape from here because I want this shape to be created. Or in which other way you can select this? I'm using pen tool. In which way you can select properly? Anyone? Anyone? in which way or in what option you can do it in a much better way. Control Z, Alt Control Z, undo. Okay, so what I am doing this in this shape, what I have to do is that the original layer has to be Control deselect. The top layer has to be transformed somewhat, তাই তো? Where from you can do it? I am having little bit problem today as my index finger is injured. ব্যান্ডেজ করা আছে, আমি ওটাতে ক্লিক করতে পারছি না, অতএব উল্টোপাল্টা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। I want to reshape this background. How can I do it? I want to reshape the background or resize the background. All Control Z. বাপরে, অসুবিধা হচ্ছে। Control D. Okay, now do it all the things again. Create the transparent layer, make the visibility of the top layer off, create the shape you want to do, create the shape you want to be clipped from the original layer. Okay, Control Enter. Then go to the main layer, go to the layer, create clip masking. Oh, sorry. Alt Control Z. শেপটা যখন ক্রিয়েট হয়েছিল, ওকে ফাইন। নাও fill it with 100% black. যেটা 100% ব্ল্যাক থাকবে সেই লেয়ারটাই তোর এই হয়ে যাবে with 100% black. Then go to the layer, create clip mask. there বাবা, অপশনগুলো আমি ঠিকঠাক করছি। So this is clip masking. Right? From the original image, I had clipped only this portion, a rectangular portion. Basically, I have clipped this portion. আমি যে শুধু অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা আমার মতো করে করেছি, আমি অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা Control T, Control Positive, Control Negative, আমি ফ্রেমে জাস্ট সেটা ভালো করে পুট করে দিই। অরিজিনাল লেয়ার কিন্তু অ্যাজ ইট ইজ আছে। Control T, Control Negative, নিচে দেখ একটা ব্ল্যাক আছে, আচ্ছা ওখানে ফ্রেমেই ব্ল্যাকটা আছে। আমি জাস্ট অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা জাস্ট সিলেক্ট প্রপার করেছি, দ্যাটস ইট। সো ক্লিপ মাস্কিং এ কি করলাম, আমি অনেকগুলো কাজ করেছি বেসিক্যালি। একটু উল্টোপাল্টাও করেছি, তোদের হয়তো মনে থাকবে না, তাই আমি আরেকবার বলে দিচ্ছি। I have taken a picture. আমি ফ্রেমটা আমার চয়েসের জন্য নিয়েছি, সুন্দর অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ছিল তাই নিয়েছি, একটা ফটো আমি ফ্রেমের মধ্যে ফিট করছি, দ্যাটস ইট। So I have taken the original picture like this one. I have created a transparent layer. Onto this transparent layer, the transparent layer has to be dropped down. Onto this transparent layer, I have created the shape, rectangular shape. Then I have filled the shape by using 100% black. Then on the main layer, then you have to go to the main layer basically. Okay, main layer. After selecting the main layer, you have to go to the layer option and you have to go to the clip masking. Okay, you can release clip masking also. Release, Control Z. Okay, you can go to the layer, create clip masking, selecting the main layer definitely, and your clip mask will be done according to the shape you have created and filled with the black. Now onto this you can use any of the blending options. Onto this you can create any of the blending options, and how to apply the blending option that I have already told you. Okay, you can apply the blending option of your choice. Little bit beveled, the bevel size. I'm editing the clip mask photo. Can you see it? হ্যাঁ না কিছু তো বল বাবা, নইলে
Yes,
আমি
ma'am.
আমি বুঝবো কি করে যে তোরা আদৌ আছিস? কিছু তো বলবি at least. So steps মনে থাকবে না, আবার লিখে নিবি? স্টেপস মনে থাকবে না, লিখে নিবি? এই তোরা আদৌ শুনিস? I do not find you attentive. হামেদুল, কিছু করেছিস এখন? আজকে আজ অব্দি পোস্টারটা কত দূর হয়েছে? হামেদুল, শুনতে পাচ্ছিস? Are you there? কথা বলছিস না কেন? হ্যালো, কথা বলতে নেই করে ক্লাস কি করে নেব? হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ তোরা কোনো আনসার করছিস না, আমি কি করে বুঝবো যে তোরা আছিস বাবা? হ্যালো,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ তোরা শুধু ইয়েস ম্যাম করছিস কেন? আমি হামিদুলের জিজ্ঞেস করেছি, কোথায় হামিদুল? ও তো আছে তো। তোরা কি এটা অন করে দিয়ে ঘুমাতে চলে যাস কিংবা কিছু? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ম্যাটার? আনিশা,
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাভ ইউ ডান এনিথিং?
Yes, ma'am.
হামিদুল, আর ইউ দেয়ার এট অল? হামিদুল নেই। নিশান্ত কুমার শাহ, okay fine. Have you done anything? Have you done the poster? Have you practiced the tools? Have you done all other assignments? you haven't sent anything. Have you sent? No. Shagorika,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done anything? The assignment, the tools?
ম্যাম টুলস প্র্যাকটিস করা স্টার্ট করেছি আর যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা দিয়েছেন ওটা লেখা স্টার্ট করেছি।
লেখা স্টার্ট করে না, আমার পোস্টারটা দেওয়া হয়েছিল অ্যাকচুয়ালি। পোস্টারটা করেছিস?
ম্যাম পোস্টারটা স্টার্ট করবো, টুলস প্র্যাকটিস করছিলাম সবকটা।
See, at the day of lab, like no one has told you that in the day of Viva itself, it will be decided how like your like out of 100 marks, it will be decided at the day of Viva itself, and it will depend upon the attendance, it will depend upon the report, the Viva performance, and your all the like not only report but also assignments also, which you will be submitting. And in the Viva, I'll be asking you not only questions, I'll be asking you to do in front of you. And if the system is not there, I'll ask you the steps. You have to tell me how to accomplish this. So for this, you have to follow this lab, and attendance is also having marks, and nobody is attending. If you are there in this list also, nobody is giving answer basically except 2. Why? If you get below 50, then at the like lab, like, you sit for the exam, that you know na. You are in the second year. Why you are not telling? Okay, just tell me the steps of the clip masking. Anyone tell me the steps. I'm showing you the Photoshop front end. See, at the lab, if you are there at the physical lab, I can show you hands on. Why I'm taking time? Just I am doing the mistakes in front of you. These mistakes you will also do while you will be trying at your home. How to correct that you need to know. How, like doing mistake is not a problem. How to correct that you need to know. These problem can occur while you will be doing, even after following the steps. See, if the black is not proper background and foreground, you have to flip this, or but you can click over here, you can click X. If it is not done, then like if you follow the steps, it will not be done. Then you'll be telling, okay, ma'am has given the steps not properly. No, the step, the format is not proper, because you will be working on the basic workspace, but here I am working for several hours, so my setting is different. Steps, কেউ একজন বল, clip masking, anyone? বলে ফেল. Somebody has noted down while I am doing the work. How we will do this? সিনিয়রদের কাছ থেকে রিপোর্ট নিয়েছিস, কারোর থেকে কপি করবি? You have to do it by your own, na. So either you have to write it, or you have to follow it. Follow the steps, and remember, in this two way only you can do this thing, otherwise you cannot. See, you all are grown up students. So I do I'm not feeling very good telling you this. Basically, these are basic things you need to follow, and you are doing online classes. Steps, কেউ বল একজন, প্রিয়াঙ্কা. Just tell me the steps of clip masking.
প্রথমে আমরা ফ্রেম মাস্টার করছি ফটোশপে।
তারপরে কি করছি?
তারপর আরেকটা যে ইমেজটা ওইটাও খুলবো, তারপর ওইখান থেকে এই প্রথম ফ্রেমে নিয়ে যাব আমরা।
সি, আমি যে ফ্রেমটা দিয়েছি এটা জাস্ট অ্যাপ্লিকেশন। The frame may not be the shape. The shape can be any. আমি তোদের একটা করে দেখাবো। The shape can be any. আমি জাস্ট অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা আমার অনুযায়ী সিলেক্ট করেছি, দ্যাটস ইট। তারপরে কি হবে? Okay, fine. No point asking you. Just write down the steps. Write down the steps. Write down the steps. First one, take the photo or take the image or whatever you are having. Then unlock the background. In this way, the steps need to be written. You know? Then create new transparent layer. Then drag the layer to the bottom of the layer palette. Then make the visibility of the main layer off. Visibility of the main layer off. Then create a shape in the transparent layer. Create the desired shape in transparent layer. Fill this with black color. Next, go to edit. Then fill. Then black, normal, 100%. These are the two steps to fill. Next point, on the main layer, select the main layer. Then go to layer, create clip masking. Then select clip mask layer. And at the bottom of the layer palette, you can select the FX. And you can use different blending modes.
Ma'am, and on the bottom of the layer palette?
You can select FX. At the bottom of the layer palette, একটু যদি দেখিস দেখবি there is FX. I have shown this. fx, and then you can select any of the blending modes according to your choice. So this is clip masking. One masking is left. Okay, before doing one the vector masking, I want to ask, or just I am asking, তোরা actually আমার মনে হচ্ছে কেউ কিছু প্র্যাকটিস করছিস না। Before the next week's lab, that is on Tuesday at 11, I want all of you should submit the report except that two lateral entry. You should submit the report, you should submit the assignment with all the practice sessions of all the tools, everyone. And that should be properly organized, not in a disorganized manner. Now I have done the additive color, the color model at the first in this lab. Just I will ask you to state how to create the subtractive color model. Anyone? Nishant, how to create the subtractive color model? You have to use the same steps. Just tell me the steps. Nishant Kumar Shah. Yes, tell me the steps of doing the subtractive color model. I have created the additive color model in the same way I am telling you have to create the subtractive color model. How to create that? Just tell me. Ball. Anyone? কেউ একজন বল, সাগরিকা।
ম্যাম অ্যাডিটিভ এরটা বলবো?
The additive same way you can do subtractive. At least head তো আমি additive steps তো বলে দিয়েছি, তোর কাছে তো লেখা আছে। The same way you have to tell me the subtractive color model. Same way তে কেন বলতে পারবি না কেন সেটাই আমার প্রশ্ন।
ম্যাম নিউ ডকুমেন্ট ক্রিয়েট করে দেন
তোরা এত আনরেসপন্সিভ কেন? আমি তো সিরিয়াসলি বুঝতে পারছি না রে। হ্যাঁ বল, নিউ বাট সিম্পল জিনিস তো বল।
ম্যাম নিউ ডকুমেন্ট ক্রিয়েট করে
হ্যাঁ
নেক্সট লেয়ারটাকে সলিড কালার দিয়ে ফিল করব, ডিজায়ার্ড কালার যেটা
কি সলিড কালার দিয়ে ফিল করবি সেটা বল। সাবস্ট্রাক্টিভ কালার মডেল তৈরি করছিস, আমি যেমন আরজিবি দিয়ে ফিল করেছিলাম। কি হ্যাঁ কি দিয়ে ফিল করবি? যে কোনো সলিড কালার দিয়ে ফিল করবি, তারপরে কি করবি? স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ বল, তাহলে ইউ ক্যান ক্রিয়েট, আদারওয়াইজ ইউ ক্যানট ক্রিয়েট।
ম্যাম দেন ওই টপ টু লেয়ারটাকে নিয়ে গিয়ে যেখানে স্ক্রিন মোড দিয়েছিলাম অ্যাডিটিভে,
কি কি কালার আমি দেব সেটাই বলিসনি তুই। আমি কি কি কালার দেব? বল, সাবস্ট্রাকটিভের জন্য কি কি কালার দেব? নিশান মন্ডল, কি কি কালার দেব? নিশান, ইউ আর দেয়ার?
Yes, ma'am.
কি কি কালার দেব বল? সাবস্ট্রাকটিভে যদি অ্যাডিটিভে আরজিবি থাকে, সাবস্ট্রাকটিভে কি কি থাকবে? তোদের তো কালার মোডও পড়া হয়েছে, এন্ড আইডিয়ালি ইউ শুড সাবমিট দ্য কালার মোড ল্যাব রিপোর্ট টুডে।
ম্যাম
কেউ লিখিস
সাবস্ট্রাকটিভে
নি? কি কি থাকবে?
ম্যাম সিয়ান, ম্যাজেন্টা, ইয়েলো অ্যান্ড ব্ল্যাক।
হ্যাঁ, সায়ান, ম্যাজেন্টা, ইয়েলো, ব্ল্যাক। হ্যাঁ, you have to be little bit responsive. Okay, fine. See, I'm not giving you the detail of vector masks today. You have to practice these 4 things: additive color model, subtractive, then layer masking, clip masking. Next day, I'll be showing you the vector masking. Okay, next day, I'll be showing you the vector masking. By then, all of you have to submit all of it. The lab report, the assignment, everything. And the lateral students, 2 of you, you have to contact me in WhatsApp. I'll be repeating previous one, but today's lab report, you can discuss with your classmates, you have to submit. From next, before next Tuesday, you have to submit all of it. Because if I give the detail of the vector mask, then it will be too complicated for you, because I think most of you have not been touched yet. Most of you. Okay. So just let me check who are there. আচ্ছা, হামেদুল কেদারি এখনো কি আছিস? হামেদুল এখনো আনসার দিচ্ছে না। বাশার ইকবাল,
Yes, ma'am.
where from you have where from you are?
Ma'am, Kolkata, Central Kolkata.
You are from Central Kolkata, and you have done diploma in printing itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Where from?
Ma'am, Regional Institute of Printing Technology.
RIPT. You have any
Yes,
work
ma'am.
ex?
Ma'am, what?
You have any work experience you have?
No, ma'am.
You are fresh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next is Rituraj Ghosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Rituraj, where from you are?
I'm from RIPT.
Where from? Where is your like?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm from Durgapur.
You're from Durgapur. Okay, fine. Rituraj and Bashar. Okay, you have to contact me in WhatsApp. I'll be just repeating maybe in one day all other labs basically. Okay. Then only you can submit all other lab report with the assignments. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
And next I'm asking Hamidul, are you there? Nishant Kumar Shah. বাপরে, তোরা তো আছিস, তোরা প্র্যাকটিস কিন্তু করছিস না। ইন প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার, আগের বছরের লোকরা খুবই অ্যাটেন্টিভ ছিল এবং ওরা প্রত্যেকে খুব ভালো ল্যাব করেছিল। ওয়াই ইউ আর সো রিলাক্টেন্ট আমি জানি না। জিনিসগুলো ইন্টারেস্টিং, ইউ ক্যান লার্ন, ওকে, ইউ ক্যান লার্ন ইট, ইউ মে নট, দ্যাট ইজ ইউর চয়েস। জাস্ট আই এম জাস্ট ট্রাইং আউট। আজকে আমি জাস্ট 5 মিনিট লাগতো আমার ভেক্টর মাস্কিংটা বলে দিতে, বাট you have to practice the previous labs at the first hand, and then I can like I can explain the vector masking one. আমার বলতে তো 5 মিনিট লাগবে, but you have to practice it, otherwise how we will be doing the assignment? Otherwise it will be very problematic for you, not at the time of completing the assignment যদি তুই কারোর কাছ থেকে করেও নিস, তাহলেও আমি ভাইভাতে আই ক্যান আইডেন্টিফাই, ভাইভাতে প্রত্যেকের জিনিসটা, প্রত্যেকের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আই উইল বি চেকিং সেপারেটলি, এবং লাইক আই জাজ কে কে নিজে নিজে করেনি, আমি সেগুলোই করতে দেব। সো যদি কারোর কাছ থেকে করেও নিস, ইউ হ্যাভ টু নো হাউ টু ডু ইট, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য মেন থিং। Now do whatever you like. Now this is your choice what you will be doing. Okay, now all of you are grown up students, so তোদের বকে ঝোকে তো লাভ নেই। ঠিক আছে, চল টাটা, আজকে অবধি এই অবধি, টাটা। নেক্সট Tuesday from 11, before 11 I want all of you to submit the lab report, the assignment, everything has to be submitted. Maybe I'll change whatever you will submit, but you have to submit, all of you. And হামেদুল কেদারি, ওর বলে দিবি হামেদুলের যে শুধু মোবাইলে গুগল মিট অন করে রাখলে তো হবে না, ঠিক আছে, অ্যাটলিস্ট প্রেজেন্ট তো থাকতে হবে। ওকে, চল টাটা। I am disappointed, I am fully disappointed with you people.